Hello and welcome back everyone, and today we'll be learning about how to make a border or add a border to your Word document in this Microsoft Word tutorial. If you're interested in knowing how to get to the stage where you can see the border on your page, keep watching this video till the end and don't forget to click like. So over here you can see this is what our end result going to be, how it's going to look after we are done with creating or adding the border. And let's get started. So let me go over to the plain document over here. Let me just zoom in a bit so you guys can see better. Okay, so to start off, let's go over to the design ribbon over here. And on the very right of this ribbon, you can see a page border icon. As soon as you click it, you'll get a dialog box which will have the border and shading dialog. Will have one tab which is specific for page borders. Microsoft Word provides very interesting features for adding borders. You can add line borders to your page. By default, it's set at none. So let me show you what other options you have. You have box. So by default, it will show you a boxed kind of border on your page. Over here, you can see all the previews of whatever settings you select. So on each of the settings, you can see that there are different types given over here. There's a good list over here. So let me just select one of these. You can also select shaded borders if you're into that, and 3D kind of outputs where it will give you a 3D effect of the borders. Custom border will obviously give you the option for designing borders as per your need. So let's choose custom for now. I'll select this line, this style of border. Next, you can select the color of your choosing. Let me, since blue is my favorite color, let me just choose this one. You can also select the width that you are going for, right? So let me select 3 points, and I'll also show you what this means. This art basically means what kind of, if other than line options you want to select, we'll go over this next. But first, let me just show you how it's going to look if you add a simple line border to your page. And on the right hand side, right below the preview window is basically the type, or it's basically the application of this border. It's asking you if you want to apply this border to the whole document or only a particular section, only the first page of this section, or this section all except first page. So it will apply to this whole document. For example, I apply this to the whole document, so all the pages that I have will have this border. Another thing that you can see over here is the options. On options, you can see what margin sets it's going to show the borders for. So it's going to measure from the edge of the page and will always display on front. So you can select a couple of things over here. You can measure it from the text of your document, so it will keep it variable, a dynamic kind of border. Or if you want to keep it static based on your page layout, which is the more recommended way, then you can select edge of the page. And as soon as I click OK, you will start seeing this on your page over here. So this was a simple page border with line incorporated. Okay, now I'm going to show you what art you can use for your borders. The one that we saw in the very beginning of this video. So was the one. So these are specific designs given by Word by default. You can select any one of them. These are predefined options. You can also define their widths based on what look you're going for. And I can also choose applying on first page only. So you can see the difference that I was talking about. As soon as I apply, you can see that the borders have been applied on your page. However, it's only applied on the first page and not the rest of the document. So it's per your choosing. If you want to apply to the whole document, you can just simply select the whole document. And if you want to apply borders and you want to show segregations in your sections, you can select specific sections or the first page of the sections only. So this was a short video for your help in adding the page borders, and I hope you it was helpful for you. And if you like the content and you want more of this, so please click like and also subscribe to the to my channel, and so you'll get to learn new things every now and then. Until our next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.